Hello students, I am Professor Jalis Ahmed. Today we are going to study unit number 5 for our subject Universal Human Value, lecture number 1. So the topic is engineering as experimentations. So why it is called as nothing but experiment. Engineering called as experimentation, or we can say that engineering is possible. A number of things in engineering is because of the number of experimentation. We are going to see in this video. Engineering involves development of product or project, and as a whole it can be considered as an experiment. Before manufacturing a product or providing project, we make several assumptions and trials, design and redesign, design and redesign, and test several times till the product is observed to be functionally satisfactory, functionally okay. We try different materials and experiments. From the test data obtained, we make detailed design and retest. Thus, design as well as design as well as engineering is iterative process. So from this slide, we came to know that what is engineering. But engineering involves a development. Whenever the engineer want to develop a process, whenever an engineer want to make a project, okay, what happens? It is not only possible for engineer. It is not possible for engineers to work out in a single time. Okay, for carrying out the project, for making a design, for starting the process, the engineer carries out a number of experimentation, number of trials are carried out. Okay, for example, before manufacturing a product or providing project, we make several assumptions and trials. Several assumptions are made, several trials are made. Okay, so for starting with any process or making project, what happens? References are taken from the journal papers, various research papers. References are taken, literature survey is carried out, various trials are taken, their readings are considered as a references. Then uh, that are used that are used as assumptions, and these readings are used as a references for starting any project or making any project or product. Okay, so we try different materials and experiment. Different materials are tried. For example, in order to make any machine component, automobile, two wheeler, four wheeler, any project, any different materials are tried. So different material are tested a number of times for their hardness, whether that particular material of whether this material this is okay or not. Various hardness are tested by various hardness testers, so that whatever according to the application, we can suit that particular material to a particular project. Okay, number of experimentation are tested, carried out, their hardness are tested, whether this hardness is okay with the application or not. Okay, so different materials are tried, a number huge studies carried out, experimentations are carried out with materials, various processes are carried out, whether this is possible with this process, whether this quality is achieved with the particular process or material or not. Number of readings 100, sometimes 500 number of readings are taken. When this particular readings or experimentation satisfied with the application or the consumers, then and then it is said that it is okay. So it is said that engineering is an iterative process. You can see here this flow chart: design, step by step, design, fabrication, assembly, after design, fabrication, assembly, physical test, simulations, then prototypes are made, pilot plant, model study is made. Okay, prototype of the model, prototype of the process of the machine. Okay, final design will be there, and for after carrying out this final design, manufacture, then builders. So these are the various steps for engineering to make any product, to make any process or model. Okay, number of experimentations are carried out. Okay, where a team of engineers always work. Okay, ethically. Okay, design will be there. A number of changes can be made in the design if it doesn't satisfy the application or the consumer. In fabrication also, assembly point of view, physical tests are carried out. simulations, prototype can be made, small model of the particular product can be made, then that prototype can be tested for various tests. Okay, then final design will be there, then manufacturing will be there, then field study will be there. Okay, if any kind of, after this field study, after that application of the project in the market of the and feedbacks are taken from the consumers, and if any kind of problems occur in that particular product or process or in that project, that feedbacks are considered for redesign, and in the next process that is accumulated and certain changes, the that particular product or the model project will be made accurate. Okay, same thing will happen again, feedback, the accurate various number of times what happens, feedbacks are taken and that particular process will be corrected. Okay. Several redesigns are made upon our feedback information on the performance or failure in the field or in the factory. As I said, several redesigns are made upon the feedback on a basis of feedback given by the consumer or customer on the basis of the performance or failure in the field or in the factory. Okay. Beside the test, each engineering project is modified during execution. Okay. Beside the test, uh, each engineering project is modified during execution based on the periodical feedback on the progress and the lessons from the sources. Hence, development of the product or project as a whole may be considered as an experiment. That is to say that engineering is a experiments, considered can be as an experiment.